There are several ways that we can monitor activity within SAP Analytics Cloud, including user transactions, changes to data, and system usage. In the security area, we can monitor user activities to see the changes made to a range of object types, such as models, stories, digital boardroom dashboards, and users. For each activity, we can see the object type, the package or license type involved, the object name, the username, the activity, the status of the action, and a timestamp. We can page through the activities, search for specific items, refresh the list, download the activity log for a defined time period as a CSV file, delete the entries for a certain time period, or apply filters, such as restricting the list to see the activity of a specific user. In this example, we'll view John's activity. We can also review the data changes in our models. Note that we can view data changes only for models that have auditing enabled. Once we've chosen a model, we can see the details as a series of columns, with a row for each change to each cell value. Note that changes are logged for each change made to the public version of any model category. These changes are logged whenever a private version is published to replace the public version, or when the public values are changed directly and then saved. Note that changes to private versions are not logged. Also note that changes are not logged when new data is imported into the model in the modeling environment. We can search for specific items, refresh the list, choose the columns we're interested in, filter the time period displayed, and download the data change log as a CSV if desired. In the system area, we can monitor system usage. 4 pages are available in the dashboard. The overview page displays metrics on the number of licenses in use and historical usage levels. The System Usage by Storage page shows storage by model as well as storage by user. The System Usage by User page shows the transaction count for each user. The Trace page logs error messages, with the trace level determined by the settings applied in the System Administration screen. Details include the timestamp of the message, the trace level, username, component affected, and message. We can click the stack link to see the full message if desired. We can search the list for specific terms, refresh the list, filter by time period, and delete entries by time period. Note that the log file is limited to a maximum of 350,000 rows of data, so the oldest entries are deleted automatically once this limit is reached. Thanks for watching.